What's up, peoples? Recently had the pleasure of filming an entire water balloon fight. Danny, I, and Nova, the pain in the ass over here, we're very excited. I hope you love this video. It is a gift from me to you and your families. A movie starring you and your children. All right, mic check 1 2 1 2. Today we'll be talking about making movies. Hope you guys love it.
Oh, hi. Little before the action. Watch this, selfie mode. All right. Me and Joe, hopefully we're both in the frame, getting ready for some water balloon madness. We'll see how that goes.
God help us.
You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Your body wrapped around me, good and strange. You got me looked upon it, you and me. Got me losing sleep, I'm in too deep. Like an overdose, you're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not. Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor.
So I don't know if you can see it, but we got nothing but mayhem over here. That brings the water balloon fight to a conclusion. Say goodbye, babe.
Bye, babe.
Ashton, Joe, Jeff, Michelle, everybody else whose name I can't remember, thank you so much for having us. Just recent. What are you doing?